back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious zucchini and ground beef recipe that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this delicious zucchini and ground beef recipe. These are the ingredients. I have extra lean ground beef, smoked paprika, salt, parsley, black pepper, 3 garlic cloves, 3 tomatoes, half an onion, and 3 zucchinis. Of course, a little bit of vegetable oil. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious zucchini recipe. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the zucchinis. I am going to slice them through the center, take the edges off, and now I am ready to cube them. I'm going to make them nice and cubed, small cubes, so that they really incorporate with the ground beef. Look at this. You decide how big you want them or how small you want your cubes. I am going to continue cubing the rest of the zucchinis. When I am done, I am ready to put them in the plate and put them aside while I continue with the rest of the ingredients. Of course, I have a red onion that I'm going to core. I'm going to dice it really good so that it releases all the amazing flavor into the rest of the ingredients. Let me tell you, you only need half an onion to make this amazing and delicious zucchini ground beef recipe. I am sure that once you make it, you're really going to enjoy it. And continue making it for your beautiful family. And here I have my tomatoes. The tomatoes, I'm just going to slice them like this. I'm going to slice them and then dice them so that they really incorporate into the onion. Look at this. New Year's is here, and now we are ready to make these easy and delicious, healthy recipes. I am going to continue slicing the rest of the tomatoes. Once I'm done, I'm going to put them in this plate. I'm going to reserve them, and I am going to continue with my garlic cloves. I have the garlic cloves here. I'm going to dice it really good, really small, so that they release the amazing flavor. This recipe is the #1 here at home. My family really loves this zucchini and ground beef recipe. It's easy to incorporate it. All the ingredients, you have them at home. Look at this. I have everything ready to prepare this amazing recipe. Easy, delicious, and with ingredients that you might already have in your refrigerator. I'm going to the stove. On the pan, I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I am going to go ahead and pull apart the ground beef. Pull it apart really good before I add the spices. I am cooking it in medium-high heat. Once everything is separated, I'm going to add all the spices in here. You're going to incorporate everything, making sure that the ground beef is coated with all the spices. Once you coat everything, don't forget to add your diced garlic. I am going to incorporate everything. I wish you guys were here so you could smell the aroma of the spices, the garlic. Oh my gosh, I really love garlic, so this recipe is really delicious. Look at this. Look how easy it is to cook at home. When you love cooking, everything is so easy. Here I'm adding the diced onion. I'm going to incorporate it so that it really
incorporates and absorbs all those amazing flavors. Once I incorporate it, I'm going to add the tomato. Once I add the tomato, I'm going to incorporate it, and I'm going to let the tomato get nice and soft and start releasing the flavor of the tomato, and it starts getting really soft and moist and starts releasing all the juices. It's going to really complement the ground beef. Look at this. It's already bubbling on the bottom, and you could really see all the tomato nice and soft. And now I'm adding the zucchini. Once you add the zucchini, only cook it for 4 minutes. You still want your zucchini al dente. You don't want to overcook your zucchini. Make sure that you cover your zucchini with the ground beef with all those amazing flavors, and then just cook it for 4 minutes. Like I said, it's an easy, delicious recipe that anybody could make. You could enjoy it with making Mexican rice, steamed rice, or even in tacos. My mouth is already watering. Here at home, everybody wants to know what I'm cooking. My kitchen is penetrated with all these flavors and aromas. And after the 4 minutes, look at this. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, be part of Cooking with Gloria. Once it starts bubbling in the bottom, then that's the sign you're going to cover it and turn off your stove. And then you are ready to enjoy the zucchini ground beef recipe. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing zucchini and ground beef recipe. I know you guys are going to love it. After the holidays, this is a perfect recipe. The zucchini is still al dente, it's not overcooked. And of course I added Mexican rice that of course you have on my channel. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me, excuse me. The flavors are amazing. And the zucchini is still al dente. You could really feel the crunch and all those flavors combined. Let me tell you, this is the perfect recipe. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated so you don't miss out on my amazing recipes. Like, subscribe, and I say I see you soon. I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. See you soon. Bye-bye.